Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove Google account in Realme Note 50 device. So for adding any account, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of Google here. Just tap here. So after that, if you want to add another account, all you guys have to do just click on manage your Google account and then click on add another account. So after that, this window appears. Now all you guys have to do just enter account here. After that, enter the password here of your Gmail account. Okay, after that, click next. If you want to save your password and email, all you guys have to do just click on save. And if you don't want to save, just click on note, not now. After that, click on yes, I am in, and then click on I agree. So this is now processing. And as you guys see, the new Gmail account is now added. So just click on cross. After that, you see we have both accounts here. And then if you want to remove any account, any Google account, all you guys have to do just go to password and account, and here we have this account. I am selecting this account to delete. After that, click on remove account. Then again click remove account so that your Google account will be removed from that device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.